I'm not a demon. See? Just a guy.
Don't do that. You really made me worried there.